ride today. Need to get some gas first. Look at that thing, 261,000 miles, man. You can't kill the old Jetta. This thing is just, what a unit. Ooh, nice little clunk in the front end. This thing needs pretty much everything. It's got 261,000 miles on the original clutch. Crazy. Let's head up and get some gas. Let's head on up to the junkyard. The old pull apart. It's pretty packed today. This thing's pretty rad. Old Taggy, man. It's got a freaking body kit on it. It's a Duraflex kit. Not really worth anything, but the bumpers are like 300 bucks each. Kind of cool. Got a 5-speed in it. What do we got on the odometer? 235,000 miles. Transmission feels pretty good, actually. Yeah, goes through all the gears good. Even goes into reverse. Nice. Kind of sad. Wonder why it's here. Oh, it's got some rust. Weird exhaust tips. Looks all original under there though. Interesting. Oh, that is a heavy hatch. Oh, the whole car is moving when I lift it. Golly, that thing's heavy. Wow, it doesn't even have suspension. It's all factory underneath. Crazy. Whoa, there's no front spring. So does this have a torsion setup? How does that work? Huh. Someone tell me in the comments what I'm looking at, because I've never seen a car without front springs. That's weird. I mean, I know, like, I've seen cars with no rear springs that have torsion setups, but I've never seen front. So, does that mean there's a torsion bar attached to that shock, or that control arm, and it has spring tension on there? I don't know. Someone tell me down below. I don't know enough about these. This is pretty cool, though. I've never seen one of these in the junkyard. Kind of rare. Super old. Nothing like some pop-ups. Alright, so we grabbed the 2.5 engine cover and TDI engine cover, which I don't see these very often, and I haven't even comped the price to see what these go for, but I just sell these on my eBay store. People buy these engine covers all the time. The 2.5 ones sell like crazy because people do swaps and they want the Beetle engine covers. And then I bought this for my car because mine is broken right here from the previous owner. So got that to replace mine. And now we'll head on out of here. Just want to say, the junkyards, man, they are some of the best places to find some good deals. I mean, all those parts I paid 20-something bucks for. The engine covers I'm going to sell. I haven't comped the TDI one, but the Beta ones sell for 50 bucks all day on eBay. So I'll make all my money back and some on just one of those. We'll see what the TDI ones are. Like I said, I very rarely see those pop up, so it might comp pretty high. I'll check it out later and see what it goes for. But we're going to go ahead and get some lunch and then get to working on that Audi A3.